Welcome to Mrs. Feast for the Senses. Here it is, my very first video ever uploaded to YouTube. I've been agonizing about this for weeks. What to say, how to say it, how do I look, how do I sound, and can I make this interesting so others would find their way to my channel. I want to share my ideas and my ways of making life simpler through cooking, telling my stories, and ways that I do things every day, be it cooking for ourselves or for our families, dealing with all that life throws at us, because life isn't easy, let's be real. I'm passionate about teaching and learning. That's another reason why Mrs. Feast for the Senses is so important to me. I'm learning something new at my age. I've never talked to a camera, edited a video, or poured myself out there for everyone to see. I'm so far out of my comfort zone, it's ridiculous. I also believe that I have nothing to lose, and by not trying my hand at this, I have even more nothing. I want something to lose. Nothing will be perfect. Look at my studio, it's a mess. But it's raw, it's unfinished, and I don't have any of this figured out, besides the fact that I just have to do it. I want your comments, your ideas, tell me what you're thinking, and please, please, please subscribe. If you're looking for authenticity, simplicity, and the real deal, you've come to the right place. This is Mrs. Feast, and this is For Your Senses.